Hello, my friends. It's Dani,
Jax, and Katie.
And we are here with one last video for the year. We wanted to do a fun recap video, talk about the year a little bit, share a big celebration with you all, and maybe have a laugh by going down memory lane and looking at some of the older videos. I thought it would be fun to look at some of the most popular videos we've ever created here on YouTube. So in case you're not familiar, when you hit 1 million subscribers on YouTube, which thank you to this amazing, beautiful community we did this year, YouTube sends you a golden play button. So we received that, we'll show this one in a minute. We received it in the mail. It's in this black box. We have not opened it yet. Comes in the mail like this. Okay, so we have not opened this yet. We're all very excited about it, but we really wanted to open it here on camera with you. So if you stick around to the end of the video, we are going to share this celebration moment with you. I do want to just take 1 minute to say, again, thank you to everybody who supports the channel, who adds value, who asks questions, and who's come along this journey with me over the years. For those of you who've been here a long time, and I know it's a lot of you, we started this channel kind of inside out over like about 10 years ago. We didn't really start focusing on it like really full time until the last few years. It's amazing what it has turned into. It's a family business for all of us. And this year I've spent a lot of time working on my blog. I'm trying to create that and update that so that can be a really strong resource for those of you who want a place to go and get all of the recipes. I'm also working on my first digital class that's going to be focused on weight loss. And that's hopefully going to launch sometime in the first month or two of next year. All this to say that I could have never dreamed that this would become my career and be able to support myself and my family doing this. So thank you so much, and thank you for being here with us. Now, when you hit 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, they actually send you a silver play button.
Which is really small.
Jax feels like it's kind of small, and this is what it looks like. Oh, it's like the size, that's okay, don't worry.
It's as big as my hand, around this part of my hand. It's like that big. It's not that big.
It's not super big, but this is what it looks like if you've never seen one before. So this is when you reach 100,000 subscribers. Now, what we're gonna open at the end of the video is the gold play button. And then if I'm not mistaken, how many people do you have to reach to get the...
1 million.
No, to get the...
Diamond? 10 million. 10 million.
Okay, so then after the gold, if you get 10 million subscribers, then they send you a diamond play button. So that will have to be the next goal that we set for ourselves,
yes,
huh guys?
Definitely.
How many people can we reach? How many people can we help? And learning how to...
1 billion.
1 billion. Dream big, my friend. Okay, so for the fun of it, we thought it would be fun. What I did is I went through my analytics, and we are gonna walk through the most popular videos that have ever existed on the channel. So not in this last year, like over the years, many, many years. And we're gonna see what they are, and we're just gonna look back and maybe just have a bit of a laugh together. So let's go ahead and dive in. What do you think? Okay, so I tried to go all the way back to the first video we have on YouTube. I don't actually think this is the first video we ever posted. I think we deleted older ones, but this is the first one that I have that lives there. So it's chocolate covered strawberries. It was posted in February 11th, 2007.
And right now it's 2019.
Yeah, so it's a long time ago. So,
Almost
okay.
2020.
That's right. So let's go ahead and watch it and see what we think. We'll make it bigger. You ready, guys?
Okay.
Here we go.
Food is an expression. So what better way to express yourself than to get in the kitchen and look at something special?
Oh god, okay. First of all, you can't rock that bang. No offense. That's not right.
Wait, you don't like... I was thinking about cutting bangs. You don't like that bang?
No.
I gotta go back and see it, but okay, go ahead.
So second of all, the lighting is yellow, and third of all, you're like, hey guys, welcome. The microphone is like, yeah, the microphone was not good. The lighting wasn't good, and that's not.
No, okay. I mean, everybody has to start somewhere. But let's just see. Let's see. I gotta see the hair.
So for this quick bite, I'm making both coconut and
The lighting is not.
chocolate covered
Oh, I
strawberries.
kind of like my bang. You
All
don't
you'll
like?
need 6
Yeah, the
ounces
lighting.
of dark chocolate.
You don't like the bang?
Oh my god, the voice is not good right now.
Do you mean the microphone?
Yeah.
Okay, well, chocolate covered strawberries. It's the first video as it stands on YouTube. We've actually redone that video, so I don't think anybody ever watches this video anymore. This was before HD video. There was not even HD video back then. The sound is horrible.
I wasn't even born yet.
You were not even born
I'm
yet.
born and I'm.
No, you weren't. You were born after your sister.
I'm 2 years younger.
Oh my gosh, that is funny. Okay, I'm gonna watch one more. Let's pop it.
60 hat mat, lined with a silk hat mat. And all it is basically a reusable piece of parchment paper. Then I've got some coconut.
Do you think I look
and
younger?
my ground
Do you
almonds.
guys hear
Those
that
are ready
voice?
for dipping. And we've got our strawberries.
Do you think I look?
A car.
It's a red T-shirt.
And I got it. It sounds like a. And I got it.
Okay, all right. So,
You look like one of those really cringy, like old school videos.
well, because it kind of is 12 years old. Okay, let's do this. All right, so that's our feeling. It's on the very first video that exists. I'm gonna go now, take a look in the analytics, and I'm literally gonna pick one of the top 10 videos of all time. We're just gonna explore them. All right, so another one of the top 10 videos of all time is actually a video that is not that old. It's from 2017. It is my 3-ingredient banana oatmeal breakfast cookies. I'm curious how many of you have made that recipe. All right, let's take a look at the video.
Hey guys, it's Dani, and today I am very excited to share my new favorite snack / breakfast recipe with you guys. It is a 3-ingredient banana oatmeal cookie. And literally all you need to make these cookies.
This is so much better than horrible. What's really going on? My dog.
What was horrible?
That shot of the thing was like blurring. You're like, that was a lot better than the last one.
Yeah, this is a lot better. I mean, we are allowed to say nice things, okay? You don't just have to roast your mom.
Cute hair.
Huh, thanks, Kate.
Better than last time.
This is actually only a couple of years ago, so really it doesn't seem like nothing is too crazy jumping out at me here, although I will say this is one thing that happens on YouTube a lot, right? So I'll think a lot about like what I want to share and what recipes I think you guys would be really like receptive to and what people are looking for, and then I'm often surprised, right? So something that I think is going to be really popular in the community ends up not getting a lot of views, and then like this, I remember we did this video, kind of like I was like, it's like a 3-ingredient, it's barely a recipe, but I was making it so much I thought it was worth sharing, and who knew it would end up having, almost over 2.5 million views. So you just kind of never know here on YouTube what's gonna hit and what's not. Okay, let's see what another video is. All right, we'll just do a couple more just for fun. Let's go back. Okay, so this video is actually the #2 most watched clean and delicious video of all time. It has almost 7 million views.
Wow.
And it is as simple gets. How to cut a pineapple. Let's take a look.
No. Stop. Okay, that how it starts. It's no. It's like Dani sneeze. How to cut a pineapple. It's like how to cut a
This is older. This is
pineapple.
it's a bit older.
Cut a pineapple.
I have a fun.
Nowadays, you can buy your pineapples at the grocery store, all cut up and ready to go. But fresh pineapple is not only going to taste better.
Somebody's in my belly. So this is 7 years. So Jax, you were in my. This has to be Jax in my belly, right?
I don't know.
Oh my gosh.
It's not only going to
OMG.
taste better, it's going to save you some money as well.
Her eye.
So I'm going to show you
I'm
the
like, what is it?
Eyebrows?
Whatever.
Hair?
No, the makeup that you put there.
Yeah, eyeshadow?
Eyeshadow.
You don't like my eyeshadow? It looks
No.
very natural. I think it looks lovely.
And that was.
Look, do you see what you look like in my belly?
Sure.
easiest way
In
to
your
cut a
hair.
pineapple. First thing you're going to
Look at
do
that's
is
you.
lie the pineapple down on its side. And using a nice sharp knife, you want to cut off.
Okay, fun fact about this video. There's a product called Google Home. Is that what it's called?
I think so, yeah.
So if you have Google Home, in the instructions, they say, like when you're testing out your new product, it says, go to Google or go to YouTube
Or just say ask.
or ask
how do I cut?
Google Home how to cut a pineapple. Like that's the instruction they give you in the instructions. And then this is the video that pops up. So that's just like a little fun fact. Oh, good one.
What?
Katie wants to reveal the cameraman.
Not yet.
Yes, it's a million, please.
It's a million. Reveal yourself. Oh, you're so silly.
Come on.
What's next?
Okay, so let's just do 2 more, and then we're gonna get to the golden play button. So let's do. So that, by the way, do you guys recognize that kitchen?
I do. Yeah,
That's when we still lived in California.
I do.
You don't remember it?
I do.
You remember it.
2.
Yeah, you're right. All right, what about, let's go down. This is our 4th most popular video. It's how to make almond milk.
Oh my god, yes.
How to make almond milk. I think this was another one we did in California. Let's see, ladies and gentlemen.
Yep.
This has over 3.5 million views.
So we didn't.
Oh, nothing.
Oh god.
They don't like my old intro.
Hey guys, it's Dani. Now I am not a vegan, not a vegetarian, not dairy free. As a matter of fact, I don't really have any specific dietary restrictions.
For short.
But I do.
For short hair.
You don't like my short hair?
It's cute.
I think it's
Look
cute.
at your mole.
I still had my mole. That was pre-burn the mole off.
Do believe that
Still in California.
everybody can benefit from more
Still living in California. Let's see.
Keep it playing. Keep it playing.
Keep it playing.
and one pitted date. Now, dates are naturally super sweet, so this is going to sweeten up our almond milk
Hold it
without
apart.
having to use any processed sugars. And then just one
She
little
did one
baby
like this,
piece
so
of
she did
salt,
this.
which may seem weird, but the salt really brings out the sweetness of the vanilla and the date in the almond milk, and it just takes it right over the top. Then
Right
top
over
the
the
lid
top.
on. And
Right
we're
over-
going to blend this up for about a minute
Oh, come closer to me, buddy. Okay. All right. How many did we do here?
No.
How many did we do? 4?
Yeah. Yes. I think we should get to the button.
All right. You know what? This is what we're going to do. We're going to do the all-time most popular video on Clean and Delicious over the years since we started. The video that gets the most views. And then we're going to open the golden play button.
Okay.
What do you think?
Which one is that?
All right. You know what it is? I know what it is. It is how to make scrambled eggs.
What?
Yep.
What?
It's an old video,
What?
I think, and now
What?
it comes up in the top searches, and so it gets tons of views. And I will say, as my daughter likes to say, it's cringeworthy. But the information in the video is really good. I still stand by
7 million views.
7 million views. I still stand by all the tips I give in this video. Ready, guys?
Not that again. Not that again. That's just.
Scrambled eggs are one of these
Ooh,
dishes
I like
that
that shirt.
everybody, no matter how old or how young,
This is better,
seem
this
to
is
enjoy
better.
pretty much any time of the day.
you, Jax.
Breakfast, lunch, or dinner. An egg will not let you
Breakfast, lunch, or dinner.
let you down. So it only makes sense to learn how to get really good at making them. I'm Dani
to that
Spies,
necklace?
and I'm showing you how to make really good scrambled eggs.
Whatever happened to that necklace? It's that little tiny diamond you bought me from Tiffany.
That's a good question.
Where's that Katie?
What?
Where's that necklace?
I don't know.
Try hanging up in the.
Good scrambled
come on,
eggs.
those look like good
Now,
scrambled
I'm not claiming that making scrambled eggs is rocket science, but there's definitely
We're not claiming that making scrambled eggs is rocket science.
a handful of tips worth knowing to ensure that you've got yourself some effortlessly delicious eggs. Here's what I do.
Here's what I do. Okay, here's the thing with this video. Okay, and I get the most negative comments on this video because I did a little song and dance at the end, which is, I'm not even, it's,
I need to see it. We need to see it.
you're gonna, I know what you're gonna say. I know what you guys are gonna say. It is the official, as the kids say these days. It's cringe. It's cringy, and people let me know on a daily basis. Okay, so here it goes. You ready for this? I'm your mom. Be proud of me.
When you're good, you're good. When you're good, you're good.
Oh my god.
My eggs are good. My eggs are good. Your eggs are gonna be good too. Woo! Woo!
I'll just get that button out.
Would you call that cringeworthy?
Only cringeworthy.
Cringy?
It's only cringeworthy.
My eggs are good.
Okay, we get it.
Eggs are good. My eggs are good. Your eggs are good.
Oh, can we see the comments?
Oh my gosh. Oh my
Can I
god.
read it? Can I read
Yeah,
it?
yeah. Let's see the comments. We have to find.
Okay.
All right.
Lol, I usually don't watch the videos till the very end, just when the recipe's done, but I was reading the comments and I had to watch it. I regret it.
This, and then this girl wrote, my eggs are good. My eggs are good.
Oh, I like the people though. There are a lot of people who do say
Oh,
that
I
these
need to-
eggs turned out really good for them.
Yeah. So this one right here, Do I have to sing and dance and clap when I'm eating my eggs for this to work?
You don't have to, but it does help. Thank you. See, someone said this video was short, simple, clear, and straight to the point. A lot of videos are not like that anymore. So this lovely lady is appreciating, even though I have a cringy dance at the end. Okay, let's find.
I probably should have watched the video before I started cooking.
How could there's so many bad comments and I can't find any of them?
Just curious.
Thank you.
Why does this YouTuber receive so
much hate? Thank you.
Oh,
See, people look out for us. All right.
Wait,
You know,
can you subscribe to her or can you give her a like to her comment? Comment.
yeah, we will. Let's see if we can find 1 or 2 comments for Daddy before.
Here's a bad one.
Dear God.
No, I wouldn't read it. Dear God, those eggs are knackered. Poor eggs. Shame you over them.
Overcook them.
Shame you. Overcook them so badly. Cook them like British chefs. Properly. But butter and salt and finish with pepper. Much love.
Oh, they still sent love. See, we have a beautiful
I
community.
don't know which one.
All right.
I was making these and my dad came and ruined it because he
Don't say that. That's getting deleted right now.
added too much oil.
No. Too many. You can't curse on the channel. Delete. We just deleted that comment. I make good scrambled eggs. I stand by that.
Eggs work. Wait, no, the eggs worked, but the end was cringy.
Where'd you see that?
Wait, I didn't find it. Oh,
The eggs worked, but the end was cringy. I would say that's probably the best description here.
that pun was horrible. Gordon Ramsay would kill you.
Who's Gordon Ramsay?
It's a chef. Okay. All right. Okay. Should we move on to the golden play button?
Yeah.
Wait. Can I read this last one?
Last one.
Probably the worst eggs I've ever seen. No offense.
No offense.
I need bleach.
If they say no offense, it doesn't count, right? That's what you told me.
Yeah, I need bleach to undo what I saw at the end.
Am I the...
Hey, she loved the dance.
Am I the only one that loved the dance?
No, you're not. I think there were a few others.
I need bleach to undo what I just saw at the end.
Okay, so we are going to open up our golden play button now. And this is something that we really wanted to do together with you because we would not have it without you. So, Jax. All right. Once again, this is what it looks like when it comes in the mail.
Okay, I'm so excited.
My kids, they watch YouTube. They have their favorite YouTube channels. So a golden play button, they know, is no joke. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, wow. My good. Wow, I've never seen this. It's much bigger. Yeah, you and your brother can do it together. Oh, wow.
I can see my
This is awesome. It's like a mirror in case you need to fix your lipstick.
Really?
I have a bug in my nose. Okay,
Ew.
ready? I'm just kidding. All right, let's flip it around and show. Dun, 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 dun. That is beautiful.
This is so cool.
I-
It's like a wood.
It's kind of like metal, I think.
Yeah, so like a wood. It's like a metal with a
Give it a
wood.
fun.
And this is a size difference.
Oh, good. That's a good. Wow, I wonder what the diamond one looks like. This is awesome. I mean, this really is beautiful. I can't wait to hang this.
Oh, you can also get a reflection out of this if you need to fix your lipstick.
Yeah, but this one's better.
So, Jax, do you want to say anything to everybody about helping us create this family business that we've created?
Thank you.
Again, honestly, I just want to thank every single one of you for taking this journey with me, for being a part of the channel, for being a part of this community. Not only do I love sharing with y'all, but you guys teach me so much as well. So I truly, truly, truly thank you from the bottom of my heart. I'm excited for what's to come. We're doing a lot of work on our website to make that a better experience for you. I'm working on my first digital class for those of you who are working on weight loss goals. That's going to launch sometime early next year. And I'm just really, I feel very blessed and very lucky to have this opportunity. So have the best holiday season. Have a wonderful, happy new year. And we'll see you back here in 2020. Right, guys? Mm-hmm. Thanks so much for watching. And we'll see you next time with some more
Clean and delicious.
Cheers.
Cheers. Ciao.